My biggest problems with my teeth with me was that I'm such a grinder. I clench my teeth when I get nervous. I have anxiety. Anything that happens, I get anxiety and I tend to clench and grind. So by the time I knew it, I only had teeth in my front part of my face. I had no molars, zero. I couldn't eat. Everything that I ate had to be cut into tiny pieces. And honestly, I was extremely tired and embarrassed, and I hated my teeth. I hated my mouth. I couldn't handle it anymore. I couldn't. So I decided I was going to do something about it. And I did. The very first time that I stepped in to Clear Lake Dental, I was a nervous wreck because I had been to many dentists, many. When I walked in, they absolutely were the kindest people. They were so personable. They exceeded my expectations. This is what I wanted. This is what I wanted. I wanted this. I wanted to be able to walk out of his office after he had everything taken care of, to walk out with teeth that I haven't had full teeth in, I want to say 20 years, 25 years.
So we decided to do the all-on-X on the top and all-on-X on the bottom. And within a day, we were able to transform her smile to something that she was very, very confident with.
The day of the surgery, I remember waking up and just,
what do you think?
I couldn't believe it. I had teeth. I mean, a full set of teeth. It was very emotional for me. It's been a long time. I love it, and I'm so thankful for that. It changed my personality. I laugh. I show my teeth. I show them. I'm very proud of them, and I feel so good about myself. I feel so good about myself, and I thank them for that, because they brought that back, and it has been so many years since I have smiled like that, since I have laughed like that. If you are suffering with your teeth, if you hate that people look at your mouth and not your face, if you don't like that, don't think twice. That day of the surgery for me was the best day of my life. The best day. I'm very grateful. I am.